Hello guys, so today I have in front of me my power supply. So this is basically based on LM317 based power supply and 78XS set volt supply. So what I have here is outputs, and let me just show you. Okay, so sorry. This is the AC output by zero point 0.5 ampere and 3 ampere. This is DC regulated output, all 0.5 ampere. This is 3 ampere non-regulated DC supply. Okay, so and this is here USB, and this port is for my fan connection. This here is secondary switches to switch on things. This is the switch to switch on the USBs up here, and this is the fan switch that controls here. 0.5 ampere AC and 3 ampere AC switch that comes out right here, and this is the set volt supply to turn on the set volt supply rail that is up here. 5 volt, 6 volt, 8 volt, 9 volt and 12 volt, and this is to turn on the set volt supply range. And I have here in the back, this is quite bulky. This is the main switch, this is the fuse. It's the 0.5 ampere DC and AC switch, same transformer supplies it. 0.5 ampere DC and USB, if and 0.5 ampere 0.5 ampere DC and set volt supply. 3 ampere DC and 3 ampere AC supply. And what do we have under the hood? So okay, this is what we have. This is the voltmeters, this is the potentiometer, this is the USB bag. Here are all the transformers, and as you can see, some of you might think this is a fire hazard or a electricity hazard, but it is not, believe me. I've been doing this a long time and I know what I have here and what causes, I know what it is. I know how to handle this. And yeah, this is what powers my circuits that I'm working on, and it is enough for me. I have everything that I need in here. This is the set volt supply rail, and this is the transfer full bridge rectifier for the 3 ampere transformer, and this is the LM317 circuits. This is the mm, turn on thingy that I will show you. It is a safety precaution also. This is the full bridge rectifier for my set volt supply, and now we turn it, now we close it, yeah. And when we turn it on, you will hear a buzzing sound. Okay, so this is the relay that controls all other transformers. So until this kicks in, the whole system is off, nothing is on, everything is off until this relay kicks in. And this doesn't have a fan to cool it down because this doesn't run on hourly basis. This runs if I'm working on a circuit, this runs half an hour to 45 minutes. That's it. And now I'm gonna turn it on again, and the first switch from the back, no, this is not the first switch. This is the 3 ampere indicator that the 3 amp system is on. This is the first 0.5 ampere regulated, and this is the second 5 ampere regulated. This is the third 5 ampere regulated, but it doesn't have any switch. Oh sorry, this doesn't have any voltmeter because I am out of them. I have ordered it from China, that's coming and you know how long that takes. So then there is the side supply. When I switch this on and I switch this on, it this switch, it turns on my set volt supply, and this that color changing LED is the indicator that the set volt supply is on. So if I turn it off, it will go away. So that's the indicator of that. And if I want a light, if I suppose I'm working on a project now, if I need light, or if I need anything USB related, I turn this on and I have light. And if I want AC supply, I can have AC supply. If I want fan, suppose I want a fan because I'm soldering things and I want a fan to take away the fumes for me, I have a fan. This turns on. Let me place it properly. This turns on if I turn on the fan switch. Here we go. The fan is on. So yeah, this is the power supply that I have currently, and it's running quite well, but I need a switch mode power supply. I'm going to turn a CPU power supply to a step down voltage because I have a buck converter that I bought it from China. It came, and I'm gonna transform that to a bench power supply, ATX to a bench power supply, and that is very simple procedure. I will complete it and show it to you when it's done. So that is all I have for you today in this video. If you learned something from it or you enjoyed watching it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have something to criticize about it, leave it in the comment section below. So as always, it's an NSP approved power supply, and I'll see you next time when I have something new to share with you. Bye.